Hey YouTube, it's your girl Alicia V here today to show y'all these bohemian knotless box braids. So I'm linking all the hair below. If you want to see exactly what hair I used, you can click the links and go find them at your local beauty supply store. That's where I got mine. So the braiding hair I got came in a pack of 6, and I'm basically dividing all of those packs of hair, each individual pack, into 4 braids. So I don't really have a plan. When I was doing this, I didn't really have a plan on the parts. I know I kind of want them to be triangle, but I wasn't super particular on how I wanted them. I just knew I wanted them to lay flat. So you can basically part your hair however you want to, or you can part it like mine, which is fine too. I feel like it gave me the perfect amount of braids right in the front. I am going over the parts with Shine and Jam, which will also be linked below. It's really good for braids. It's really good for helping you have a really crispy part, a really straight part, and it's just good to use. It makes your braids literally shine. I mean, it's called Shine and Jam, but shine, and it holds really well. So I'm doing a knotless method, and the way I'm doing it is I'm just braiding my hair and feeding in 3 pieces of hair to each braid. So I do 1 piece of hair that's smaller, 2 pieces of hair that's the same size, and I'm just adding it in. So as you can see, I'm braiding my hair maybe about 2 or 3 times, and then I take a piece and add it to the bottom. I can't really explain it. I do have another video, which if you want to see, you can pause this one and click the link right here above, where you'll see me go way deeper into depth about how to feed in this hair. But it's really, all you're doing is adding the hair underneath your index finger and your thumb. You basically putting it between your index finger and your thumb and just adding it under the braid. If you're a visual learner, you can slow it down and watch it slow. If you are audio learner, I don't know how to say that. Audio learner, you learn better by hearing somebody explain it to you, then that's how you do it. And yeah, I'm going through and doing my entire hair. I am adding the braiding hair at the bottom, which I'm just doing the same feed-in method. Add the piece of hair underneath the braid, in between your index finger and your thumb.
Hold up, tell me what the hold up is. I'm a little spoiled, I'll be the first to admit it. I'm not used to laying low about my feelings. So tell the world or write a book when I'm finished. I should thank your mama, yeah. Look at what she made. Sweating you so badly, I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it more than I want to. I want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah, I want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to? You won't catch me interested, I'm way too selective, but you're catching my interest, and it's working so effective. Got me seeing colors Picasso couldn't paint. You pull me deep and rapture me, leave me no restraint. And I should thank your mama. Oh, look what she made. Lord, I'm sweating you so badly. I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it more than I want to. I want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah, I want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to? Usually got way too much pride, but for you I put it aside. 'Cause I can't see you with nobody else. It would eat me up alive. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that. Baby, you know that it would eat me up. Hey, I want it more than I want to. Yeah, I want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees. that she made. Sweating you so badly, I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it, want it, want it, want it more than I want to. I want it, want it, want it, want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah, I want it, want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to? You won't catch me interested, I'm way too selective, but you're catching my interest and it's working so effective. Got me seeing colors Picasso couldn't paint. You pull me deep and rapture me, leave me no restraint. And I should thank your mama. Oh, look what she made. Lord, I'm sweating you so badly, I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it, want it, want it, want it more than I want to. I want it, want it, want it, want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah, I want it, want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to? Usually got way too much pride, but for you I put it aside. 'Cause I can't see you with nobody else. It would eat me up alive. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that. Baby, you know that it would eat me up. Hey, I want it, want it, want it, want it more than I want to. Yeah, I want it, want it, want it, want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying, I'm receiving everything I want from you. I want it, want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to? Sweating you so badly, I'm in